heard they been waiting. Touch him real quick. Uh. Diesel got a pound for the record, so don't let it be my bread that you checking. I disrespect them, I open neck them, kicked head straight to the goal. David Beckham, y'all already see what it is when I step in, going all reckless, hotels to check in. Yeah, your man came prepared with 2 vests. I take your necklace, holding up your necklace. You a problem? Let's see if we can solve them. Tame these cats with the aim of the revolver. Lower that tone when you're talking to your father. High stack bundles, tell your team to squad up. Money I can stack up, blow your damn back up. Take your spot, then I never give it back up. If I roll 2, then I'm gonna need a matchup. I ain't rolling for nothing. A nigga need backup. Smash on you coward ass, snitch ass niggas. It's time for me to eat and then shit y'all niggas. Please y'all niggas, y'all niggas that small figures. Why y'all niggas tryna bro? We kinda fix y'all niggas. Salute me, Duke, when you speaking to your captain. No gunplay, you do safer if I'm rapping. Don't act puss when I ask you what's happening. Black nigga feeling the glow. Last dragon, y'all niggas losing your flow. It's a bad habit. Y'all steady watching the dope. It's a bad habit. I feel like tying the rope to a damn wagon, pin the upper into his feet, then drag him straight down the block, homie, straight from the rock. I don't care who you is, you can straight get popped. I'm all up on it early in the morning, crackers on the wipe a cold up on my eyes, looking down at the corners. I'm burning out here, yes, I'm brawling out here with some real ass niggas still earning out here. Mad money and cheddar, homie, squeezing Berettas. I can't believe you can't imagine niggas doing better. Who it is, Diesel is the motherfucking president. Tell me who I'm better than, niggas sitting benevolent. All about it, yes, I'm all about it. And if I see money, yeah, I'm all about it. And yes, I roll with some niggas that call themselves the Deuce Boys, and we roll real crazy out here, true boys. Who want it, who don't, we real goons. I play around here squeezing on them real tools. Now holla at me if you got a deal set. $1,000,000 and better, homie, I got my mindset. I ain't trying to lose here. I already know what the competition is like. My competition is light. Diesel.